What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we will be covering the Cerberus airdrop. This is going to be a tutorial, step-by-step guide, everything you need to know about this airdrop and how to claim it. So the 5 topics that we will be covering today. The first one, what is the Cerberus airdrop? The second one, for who is the airdrop? The third one, when and where can we claim it? The fourth one, what is the airdrop worth? And then the 5th and the last one of today, how can we provide liquidity for the Cerberus airdrop so we can earn up to 200% on a yearly basis? If we come to the Twitter, you can see right here, tiny URL. Just click onto this link and this will bring you to this page. Once we are onto the page, you will see airdrop coming to the Cosmos network. So this is another meme coin. We had Chihuahua before, now we have Cerberus. So if we go to the downside, you will see Cerberus will be a community lead meme coin that will allow the community to vote on various proposals on the future use of the coin. The Cerberus blockchain is a completely permissionless blockchain where anyone can join the network and run a validator. The community will have the ability to gain value from the coin by staking Cerberus with validators and liquidity pools. The first planned liquidity pool will be a Cerberus Chihuahua liquidity pool. So this is really nice. So now that we know what is Cerberus about, we will go to the second topic of today, for who is the airdrop. So if you go to the downside, you will see right here the airdrop distribution. You will see the first one that will receive the airdrop is Chihuahua delegators. So this is for the people who are staking their Chihuahua. The snapshot was 12 March. The airdrop date is going to be announced. So we still have to wait when the airdrop is going to take place. Normally you should not claim this, but they will distribute it right away to your wallet. So let's take a look if we can find more on where to claim it and when. So what I did was right here, airdrop fact can be found here. So click onto that and this will take you to a page with more information about the airdrop. So if you go down to the page, you will see a lot of questions and they will answer this. So the Cerberus chain will launch on March the 15th. If you look at this, who will be eligible to receive the airdrop? If you're staking with a centralized exchange validator such as Binance, Coinbase, you will not receive the Cerberus airdrop. So never stake with a centralized exchange such as Binance or Coinbase. So all the questions that you need to know or that you want to know, you can find right here. Every link that I use will be dropped in the description so you can use that. So if we go to the downside and we look for when will the airdrop's coin distribution happen and we click onto this, the airdrop dates have not been set yet. But if you look at the airdrop for HUAHUA, it's March the 15th. So this airdrop we already got distributed. So go take a look if you received it, yes or no. For Atom and Osmo, we need to wait. This will be announced at a future date. But for HUAHUA, we know it is dropped on March the 15th. So where can we find this? I will be covering this. So what I'm going to do to see if I received my airdrop, I'm just going to go to Osmosis. Just enter the lab, connect your wallet, Kepler, yes, then click onto assets. Then we just scroll to the downside to find. Alright, here you can see Cerberus. Then we just click deposit to bring it from our Cerberus address to the Osmosis address. So let's see if we received something. Click deposit. If this is the first time that you click deposit, you will need to approve a transaction in your Kepler wallet to connect to the Cerberus address. But I already did that, so you can see my available balance. So that's it, how to find your airdrop for the HUAHUA stakers. So now we want to find out how much is it worth. I looked on the internet for the price of the Cerberus, but I couldn't find it right away. So I'm just going to deposit this to my Osmosis and hopefully we can see what the price is. Click deposit, just click approve, next. So now let's take a look if you can see the price of our Cerberus. Transaction succeeds. Alright, so the price of my airdrop is $200. So I received an airdrop worth $200. So that's the price right now. So if you want to know what the price is per token, we just go to our calculator. We put in 200 from the $200. Divide this by 500,000 tokens. And then we will see the amount. So we are at the price right now of 0.0004 per token. So now that we know the price of the token, we are going to look at the last thing of today. How can we provide liquidity for the Cerberus airdrop? You can do this with Chihuahua or Osmo and you can earn up to 200%. So let's close this. Let's take a look at Dexmos. If we go to Dexmos, you will see right here, these are the pools you can provide liquidity to. I'm going to provide liquidity to the Cerberus Osmo today. I will show you. It's the same for the Cerberus HUAHUA. So just click onto the pool. When we come to the pool, we just click on the button Add Remove Liquidity. Then I will choose the max of my Osmo. You will see 132,000. Then I just choose the max of my Osmo. This will give this amount of Cerberus. Add liquidity. Approve the transaction. Yes, successful. So now that we have added liquidity, we should click right here in the corner on start earning, but it's not possible. So we are very early into this liquidity pool. So once this is possible, I will put a comment under my video that it's possible to start earning so you can bond your liquidity pool tokens. So the same thing for the Cerberus HUAHUA. If we go to there and we want to provide liquidity, if you come to the pool of Cerberus HUAHUA, just click onto the button Add Remove Liquidity. You will see I have 0 HUAHUA. If you want to access your HUAHUA, just go to Assets. Scroll down to HUAHUA, just click Deposit, choose the max, deposit, approve the transaction, confirm it into your ledger. If you don't have a ledger, you just need to approve this into your Kepler. Alright, that's done. Now we have done that, just go back to the Dexmos page, click on the pool of Cerberus HUAHUA, click on the button Add Remove Liquidity. I'm gonna do the max. Alright, add liquidity, approve, same routine. So same thing here, we cannot bond our liquidity pool tokens right now to start earning, but this will be updated very soon, so I will keep a close eye on this. I will keep you updated when this is possible. So this was it for today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. If you subscribe, you still have the chance to participate in the Juno giveaway. More details will come. Is there anything you would like to see on this channel? Just leave a comment and I will see you into the next video. Take care everyone.